Okay, Nanay, go ahead, walk. Wow.
We need to make sure she's covered. Okay, she's decent.
Ah,
If it's going to be on the internet.
we'll put it on Facebook.
Okay, now.
Okay.
She feels better. Does she know what Facebook is? She doesn't know, but she knows there's pictures on the internet. Oh, okay.
There's pictures of you, Nanay, all over the internet.
She's going. Very good today. Very good.
Nanay's first steps. Well, maybe they're not the first. Maybe like her 20th steps. You could send this to your uncle. Huh? Okay, Auntie wants me to move. I feel like, have you seen Quarantine? Nanay, smile. There's your feet. Nanay's moving her feet. There you go. Back to her room.
Oh, she's passing her
Oh,
room.
wow.
Right here.
She's like, uh-oh.
There you go. She's getting comfy.
She's like, I can do
Do you
this.
want to sit in the chair or do you want to lie back down?
Okay.